Hello everyone, we have a job fair in Tokyo, Osaka and Nagoya. In Tokyo from Monday to Sunday and in Osaka and Nagoya from Monday to Friday. To register yourself, please call on this number. We have many jobs here and the one I am telling you about is this one. It is a factory work, so there's manufacture of car parts such as bearings. You will be asked to check and inspect the product. The requirement for this job is you need to have a car's driving license. The location is Katori district, Chiba prefecture. The timings would be from 8:15 to 17:15 and the pay would be 160,000 to 240,000 yen. So if you're interested, please call our office number and get yourself registered. Thank you.